live CCTV and sync unlock function. P41 Smart Lock. Provide real-time video and intercom. Live CCTV. Real-time monitoring at your doorstep. Remotely unlock. Open door without need a key. Unlocking method. Palm vein. 3D face recognition. Access card. Password. Doorbell function. You will receive notification after doorbell being pressed. Protect your own password by giving to cleaner or friends a temporary password. Watch out a stranger from this digital screen viewer. It also can unlock from inside using candle or just press a button. Secure your door with extra safety lock. It remains locked till you open it. Free panic when no battery, because you still can unlock with key and power bank jumpstart. Wanna book this P41 Smart Lock? Contact our sales team now.